Hello, my name is Steve, and I guess I'm the first one to be filmed here today. I live in Kitsilano. Since COVID came along, my life has really changed. I sure miss my grandkids and my son. I miss the little kids and the parents at the drop-in where I used to go. And on the other hand, I'm grateful that I'm living here. Things are pretty good here compared to many places in the world, so I'm okay. I hope it ends soon.
Well, I want to send a message to the whole world. We're all in this together, and I just want to send love to all of these things that we're going together, the whole world. I started following the COVID story when I started seeing the people in Bergamo in Italy. I have a friend from there, and that really made me sad. And then I heard stories from Spain where the nurses were crying, and I'm Spanish, so that really hurt my heart, because the nurses were just crying over they had to unplug older people because they didn't have, it was too early in the COVID preparation, so they didn't have enough ventilators, and that really broke my heart because I have a heart for Spain. And then nowadays I honestly stopped watching the news because it was breaking my heart, and I just want to send love to the world, and just this survival time. I pray for the world. So I just wish that we help each other as humans, and we get through with this, because it's really heartbreaking to see people go. The latest story I heard from Mexico. My mom had to she didn't actually go to the funerals, but having two funerals on the same day from really close people to her. My uncle died, and her best friend from childhood died on the same day, and then it's really heartbreaking to hear about that you can't even go to the funeral. So I really hope the human race come together and help each other to get through this. I guess it happened in 1918 with the Spanish flu, and 100 years later, now we have the different technology, but the same in 100 years, or they talk about the next time, and so it gets really complicated. But I just pray and love for each other and help each other, and that's just the whole message for me. Thank you very much.